How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to add on the collaboration on your Instagram after posting, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. After tapping and launching the Instagram application on your mobile device, now you can go to the profile like icon. After you go to your profile like icon, now you can tap on any of your posts like this and then go to the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, you have to go to the option of edit. After tapping on the option of edit, now here you have to see the option of add paid partnership label. If you do not see the option like this, now what you can do is you can go back and then go to your profile like icon once again and then go to the three lines on the top, then tap on the next option. That is, you have to scroll down and then go to the option of help. Here you have to tap on the option of report a problem and then tap on report a problem once again and then go to the option of don't include and continue. Now here you have to tap on the problem that you are facing, that you are not finding the option of the collaboration on your post and you would want it, and after you tap on it like that, you can go to the upload like icon and upload the very evidence that you are not finding the very option on your very Instagram and then send it to the developer of the Instagram. After the developer of the Instagram finds it within the 24 hours, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.